right here. Go down to 2 micros and scale into my position. Scale in, scale out with this choppiness, choppy waters.
Hey, Nathan,
Yeah,
can you look at your MNQ chart and see if it aligns with my chart on the 1 minute?
yeah, 1 second. MNQ.
Correct.
Order filled.
What the hell?
Did you just get into one or you get stopped out?
No, I think my shit's delayed, yo. Yeah, let me go ahead and close my charts. Yeah, my shit's delayed, bro.
I need to get out of this fucking position right here real quick.
You know, I play myself on that one. Yeah, my chart's delayed for some reason, bro.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm restart a whole platform. I don't know why my chart's delayed.
what are you on, Ninja?
Yeah.
Just trying to get out of this position and I'll pull up my MNQ.
No worries. My chart is delayed. I just confirmed it.
I'm good, Jason.
In a bad spot right now.
I'm good.
Need this to go down just a little bit more. Ooh, wee. All right. Yeah, all right, let me check out this MNQ. I was in a scary position there. You still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it working out, fam. My chart was delayed.
Yeah. Yeah, I was in a scary position I was trying to get out of. All set now, though. And then when I click back and forth between MNQ and MES, they look almost identical.
Order submitted. Order filled.
And that was fast.
Oh damn! What the fuck?
What'd you do, go? What'd you do, go long?
No, this dumb shit fucked me up, yo. Damn.
What happened?
When the chart lagged, it cut me a chunk of what I had for the day, yo. Damn.
Oh, it took some of your profits?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Damn. Shit.
Like what? You had an open order and it triggered a stop loss or something?
No. My chart was delayed, and it cut me out. It was wrong.
Oh, so your entry wasn't what you thought it was?
Nah.
Oh, damn.
Order submitted.
There we go.
Order filled.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Hell no. Oh shit. Yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and close my platform off.
Yeah, you gotta fix those technical issues. Cost you a lot of money on a day like today. Candles are crazy.
Yeah.
Ooh. Wow, I was only getting partial fills on some of these.
Order filled.
I was only getting partial fills. Like, there's not a lot of volume yet.
Order canceled.
Damn.
Order filled.
Yeah, this choppiness is too scary to fuck around with a funded. I'm doing this. But this eval is up about 350 now. But I had like $1,000 drawdown on my last trade though.
Damn, bro, you over there gambling.
Yeah, I mean, I was still confident in the direction of the move, you know?
Yeah, fam, you need to cut
But
that shit
like,
out, bro.
dude, there's seeing
Hold, pull up. Let me rephrase this.
there's like
No,
entire 1 point spreads right now.
I'm tripping, bro. You're on an eval, right?
Yeah, that's the eval.
Okay, bet. Never mind. I'm tripping, bro.
Yeah, no, I'm still up like, well now I'm up because I'm up 355 on the eval for the day, so I got the eval up to like 51,800 right now.
Yeah,
I was just saying I'm not messing around with my funded with this choppiness going on right now.
yeah.
And I'm excited to see my first payout, man. Like
Let's go.
I'm trying to finally start putting some of these eval fees back in my pocket. Actually, this payout will put pretty much all my eval fees back in my pocket.
Good shit, yo. So you build to the threshold and then you build some.
Huh?
I say you build the buffer. You
Yeah,
build a
so
buffer for your PA and then you got some extra.
well, yeah, I hit the take profit trader buffer yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Like yesterday, I hit the 2K on the funded. It was my third day trading that account, so I've been going 400 or 500 a day. But yesterday I hit 900 and something, and so that hit me on the buffer, and then I was like, all right, I'm gonna close out at the buffer, and then whatever I do today is gonna be profits that I can take. And I hit like six. I think I hit $650 in profits today, but take profit trader is an 80-20 profit split, right? So they're gonna take
Order submitted.
they're gonna take
Order
20%. So when I withdraw this, they're gonna take 120. So I'll get about 500 in my account. Looking at those chats and those other groups, man, I don't understand how people just don't understand the rules. Like they're just pressing buttons or something. Yo, so this is crazy on ES right now. Like I don't know if it's something wrong with my platform or what, man. I'm seeing like 2-3 point spreads.
Yeah, market going crazy right now.
Like the spread between the buy and the ask is going between like one tick and 3 points. That just doesn't even look right. Are you getting that kind of fluctuation between the bid and the ask price?
My bin ass is messed up for whatever reason.
It looks like it's bouncing between like a couple of points.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with mine.
Mine's doing the same thing. It's weird. Like I'll see 3 point spreads on the bid and the ask. Like I'm scared to even put a market order. Like it's bouncing around points and points. Yeah, if I press market at the wrong time, it'll start me at a 3 point loss. Yeah, I gotta chill out on this for a minute. I'm gonna just do one micro right now to see what happens. Quick $20 on one micro. All right, now that news just came
Filled.
out.
Oh, news just came out.
Yeah, non-farm payrolls beat expectations. Expected 140,000, but it was 228,000.
Stop
Let's
filled.
go.
Stop filled.
Had a little quick long for about 5 points there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, this Bulinox, I'm not really in any hurry to pay that $150 activation fee.
Yeah.
I just been kind of nursing it. I'm at about, let's see, I hit 450 today in profit, so I'm at 51.9 on this account. Plus with the Bulinox, it's 10 days till payout, right? So I'm just trading it like if like more or less trading it like if it was a funded already, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, you need 10 days and minimum payout is $1,000 over 2,600, right? So you need in 10 days or more, you got to get your account up to 3,600 or more in profit in order to take payout from Bulinox.
Yeah.
My last Bulinox funded, I was at the buffer. I was like at the buffer like 2,600,
Yeah.
and then I blew the account before I hit the $1,000 mark. But I was at the
You were at
2,600
buffer,
and
right?
like, huh?
You were at buffer, right?
Yeah, I was at buffer on my Bulinox funded, but I was only like 2 days in. I had like 8 more days to trade.
Order submitted.
I like take profit, man. They don't put so many limitations on you. You can trade the same contracts in the funded that you were trading in the eval. They don't have that 2%, 2% within limits rule that Top Step has. Like Top Step halted trading yesterday on a few assets
Yeah.
because they got to a 5% loss within 2% of that 7%. But take profit doesn't have that. You just can't trade past the limit. They'll revoke your funded account if you trade past the limit. But
Order filled.
you know that's easy. That's easy. Just get out. I'm only in positions for a matter of seconds, anyways.
Order filled.
Oh, look at this candle.
Target
Wow.
filled. Target filled.
30.5-minute candle right there.
Target filled.
Oh no, I'm on ES. Remember, like, damn. This 5-minute candle is 40 points right now long.
Yeah. That's just fucking crazy.
Unbelievable. See where we're going. Oh, nice. Ripped another $100 right there. Yeah, I just ripped out another $100 on 5 minis right there, or 5 micros right there. I can't tell if this candle is a fake out.
Yeah. Man, right now I don't even know. Because if you look, we got a head and shoulder. We got a head and shoulders too, but I don't know. We did make a high though. This is a tricky market, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, it's craziness. Pure craziness. Yeah, like, look, what are we doing here? Yeah, see, look at this next candle. Like, what are we doing here? You don't know whether to go long or go short. Stay out is the move. Yeah, this is craziness. Yeah, came down to a level of support on my 5-minute. Yeah, see that last candle, if you traded it like a 3-bar reversal, you're screwed.
Yeah, crazy ass fucking market, bro.
Yeah, these candles are crazy. Like the volatility and choppiness is nuts, man. Like if that last candle, if you traded that like a 3-bar reversal, you just like got stopped out.
Well, what price do you have for NQ, fam? I mean MNQ. What's your price?
Let me see.
I think my shit lagging again.
Let's see. Let me take a look. I searched it. I got it on here now, so I can pull it right up. I got MNQ at 18,175 right now.
Okay, bet then I'm good then.
Yeah, 18,177, 86. Yeah, bouncing around between 75 and 80. All right. I'm gonna go.
Yo, yo.
Hey, fam.
Hey, what's going on, y'all?
Hey, my platform was having issues earlier. I shaved $50 by accident from from that past account, which is no longer a past account.
You have platform issues? Like
Yeah.
Replicanto?
No, not Replicanto. I'm talking about Ninja. My Ninja started messing up earlier. It's good now. It's good now.
What exactly was happening to it?
So it got delayed. The data got delayed, and I hadn't even realized. And then I was trying. So I got into to begin with. I was in the wrong account, and I shaved. It put me on like negative, and I'm like, oh shit, hold on, what's going on? So I went ahead and exited the thing, and I got back in. And when I got back in, it was normal. But I
Bro, you gotta slow down. You gotta slow down on especially with the volatility.
Yeah.
Slow down. We can't be trading the wrong accounts.
Mm-hmm. I think I'm done for the day, because I wanted to get on this trade, which I thought, and nah, nah. But I'm good. I'm only $50 down from that account that at this point is close to being passed. That it was passed. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Wait. So so when you passed it, you didn't like button it off, or you didn't change, or what?
No, I just. What do you mean by button it off?
Like on the Replicanto, or you're not? Are you not replicating?
I'm not replicating today.
Ah, damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, can't be doing that.
Yeah, it's good though. It's still there. You feel me? Like it's only $50.
What's the you know what? Let me So what was the issue before though?
It delayed data.
All right.
I think the data's good now. I just checked it with Nate's. Yeah.
You gotta hold on. I got you. I'm about to have you do something. Hold on for a second. Do this. Hold on a second. Wait a second. I'm gonna have you do something. That should help you with that. Hold on one sec. I got you. We gonna do something on your chart.
But
so that you know. Also, too, hold on. Those other windows that we built the other day. Do you have those up still? Do you have those?
bro, they stopped popping on my thing, and I was saving them. We still have the backup folder though.
Wait, when you say they stop popping up, what do you mean?
Yeah, like the data control or whatever. It remember anytime I opened my chart, it pulled up, and it just stopped pulling up.
Do you still have the Yeah, that shouldn't happen. Are you sharing? Oh, you just sharing the chart. Share your actual window.
Gotcha.
Just click the share button in the big window. You don't have to drop your share. All right, there you go. All right, hover over the control center. Just hover over it. So minimize this. No, I'm saying just hover over the ninja thing. Just hover over it. No, you're still clicking it. I'm just saying hover.
Right here.
Minimize this again.
There's minimize.
And then hover over ninja logo on the bottom. Just hover over it. Don't click anything. All right, account data orders is right there.
I opened it manually.
All right, click that. Yeah, make a new tab. Click on the little tab on the bottom. Go to accounts. And then do a new tab. Go to positions. Go back to the accounts tab. Right click anywhere in the white space. Properties. Uncheck excess initial, excess intraday right there. Uncheck that, uncheck that. Uncheck initial margin and intraday margin. Scroll down. Click total commissions. Click apply and OK. Right click again. Properties. Go scroll down. Wait, go to the right. Move this window to the right. Yeah, sorry. Uncheck buying power on the top and cash value. On the top, yeah. Uncheck. Click apply. Uncheck cash value. Click apply. Click OK. All right, now workspace save. Click on your workspace. Oh, yeah. Workspace is saved. Now minimize control center once you're able to. All right, move this window. Put that on another screen somewhere. Like, or do you have another screen?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. Click on position. Click on the positions tab, and then move that top left. Move this whole window top left. Maybe just somewhere. Okay. Now, also too. Now I need you to hold on. We're gonna do something else before the open too. Hold on 1 second. Give me 1 second.
Bet. I'm fixing to go take the car real quick to the mechanic, fam. I'll be
right
back
now.
Yeah, I got the appointment at 8. It's 7:56, but it's down the street.
Oh, all right.
I'll BRB. If it comes down to it, then we gotta do this like once the market settles down. We'll do it a little bit later. I'm off today.
Yeah, all right, cool. I don't think I'm gonna be trading today much either. So,
but real talk, appreciate
it's crazy.
Yeah, man, I don't. I don't know. I think I might call it a day. You know, I basically passed this account. You know.
Yeah. When I said to go on, I didn't think we were about to go crazy.
Huh?
when I said we was going to come on earlier, I didn't. I'm not sure what happened, but
tell me why. I woke up at 5 and the market it had just dumped like 400, 500 points. I'm like, holy shit, what's going on?
Yeah.
But I guess the
insane stuff.
It was like China and all those countries started retaliating, I think.
Yeah, that's exactly why China's putting retaliatory tariffs.
Yeah.
Retaliatory tariffs, yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised if market opens and go lower.
Say it again?
I wouldn't be surprised if we go lower market opens.
Yeah, I mean, at this point, you never know what the hell can happen, so.
Because retail still got to react.
Yeah.
All right, fam. I'll catch you in a minute. I'll be back.
All right, cool. Yep.
See what's going on at 9 o'clock.
Yo.
What's up?
Hey, what's going on, bro? What's going on, man?
Not much, man. Did
Market was going absolutely nuts.
yeah, it's so choppy right now.
Yeah, this ain't the time to be a hero.
No, I'm out right now. If we can get a nice trend going in some direction, I'll probably take couple more trades later. But
Yeah.
I want to see what this open does. I'm up $573 over buffer on my take profit.
There you go.
So I'm gonna
Might as well shut that down and take that money.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that into my bank account. That'll be a nice, $450 after they take their 20% or so.
Yep. It's a good feeling. Well, it's definitely a good feeling.
And then
Well, lock that in, make your money back. That's what.
yeah, that'll put most of my eval fees back in my pocket.
Yep.
It's not letting me log
profit?
off here, man.
What do you mean it's not letting you log off?
Like when I click on account, there's no option to log out. Probably just got to close
When you click on account, where?
on top of NinjaTrader.
I'm
on the web version.
Oh yeah, I don't deal with the web version. So you can trade your top step. Not top step. You take profit trader account on the web version.
Yeah. So the problem that I had was my Bulanox. I was doing my take profit and Bulanox eval at the same time, but neither one of them would let me use the other one's license key. So I couldn't click back and forth between those accounts on the desktop version. So I put the take profit in the web version and the Bulanox in the desktop version so that I could click back and forth and monitor them both at the same time.
Wait, you said you can't use you can't on the desktop version, you cannot log into Bulanox and take profit?
Yeah, they give me errors is because of the license key. Cause they both want you to use their license key.
Are you trying to use them both on Rhythmic?
Well, no, take profit is Trade-Evate and Bulanox is Rhythmic.
Yeah. Okay. So, I mean,
so I couldn't.
You should definitely be able to log into both on the desktop platform.
Yeah, I got them both in there, but they I'm gonna tell you right now. Like, look, when so I'm logged into my Bulanox, my Rhythmic for NinjaTrader, and then when I go to log into my take profit, it says incorrect username or password. And then when but if I put in that username and password, only a SIM Bulanox account comes up, like not the eval account, just the SIM 101. And because it's a different license key when I use.
Oh, you might just need to reach out to Ninja to have them give you. They need it. Ninja probably needs to activate the Rhythmic connection on their end. So reach out to Ninja.
Well, I mean, my I can trade my Bulanox on Rhythmic on here.
Oh, you can. Okay.
Yeah, I can't be logged into Bulanox and take profit at the same time, so I can't click back and forth between those accounts. Right, so that's why I have the take profit set up on the web version and the Bulanox on the desktop version, so I can kind of just click back and forth and monitor both of them.
Huh. All right. Yeah, that's weird. You should be able to do both, but All right.
Yeah,
I'll look
it
into
was
it.
working.
I'll see what the issue is.
Yeah, it was working in the past, but now it just doesn't work anymore.
Yeah, I don't know. That's crazy.
But yeah, it is what it is.
As long as you as
Um,
long as you're doing good and you take profit.
yeah, the take profit
So,
is that's the important one. I need these daily profits.
yep.
Not getting greedy, right? Like $400. If I get 400 in my bank account today, like that's a good paycheck for a day.
Bro, that's amazing.
You know,
It's
it's
amazing.
not
It's an
too many
amazing
people
check.
that make $400 a day,
Exactly.
right? So like that's where we
300 a
gotta,
day. Even crazy.
yeah, like that's where we gotta fight that natural greed, right? Like
Yeah.
because I'm just looking at it like, all right, if this is a job, and I worked this morning for a half hour and made $400, that's a good fucking day's work.
It's an amazing day.
You know, so I'm taking it easy on that. My Bulanox eval is up to 51.9 right now, but I'm not rushing that one. I mean, that one is 10 days to pay out, right? So might as well trade it like it's a 10-day account.
Yep.
And I'm not. And I'm
that's a
not.
funded account?
No, this is the eval right here.
Yeah, still, yeah. I like the plan. It sounds like a good plan.
I mean,
can't be rushing shit.
Yeah,
Nobody
there's no
can,
point
yeah.
in rushing it, and I'm not in a rush to pay that $150 activation fee. Right?
Exactly.
So like, the sooner I pass, the sooner I'm gonna have to come out of my pocket with that, because I think they were the one that said you only got like 4 or 5 days to pay it, and then you can ask them to send you a new code, like, or a new login to pay it, like a new link, like one time.
Right. Which I that was news to me when we found that out, or when you found that out and told me. So
yeah, so
because that was against what they said before. So
right, so I'm just gonna chill out on this. I'm not in any hurry, as long as I got my take profit, generating some profits, and Bulanox this is just a backup. I'll pass it, but at this point, my bank account has been bleeding between my living expenses and these evals and what. I'm just anxious to finally put some money back in my account.
Yep, that's gonna be a good feeling. It's a great feeling.
But at one point I had read with take profit, like you can even take profits like from the AM and the PM session. But when I log into my take profit dashboard, there's nothing showing up as.
Yeah, it updates at night, because that's what happened to me a couple weeks ago when I first got over buffer. I was talking to them in the chat, and I'm like, hey, I was told you can like withdraw profits and then keep trading, withdraw, keep trading, withdraw. Like, what's the deal with that? And they were like, well, if it's updated in the dashboard. I was like, all right, so when is that gonna happen? And they said, oh, well, it updates at around anytime between 9 and midnight. And I was like, so I can't. So they said, so I can't trade and withdraw. They were like, well, it depends. I'm like, all right.
So withdraw same day is not true.
No, I guess it is true. But you just can't
what I
withdraw
mean
5 minutes.
What I mean is they advertise withdrawals from day one, right? Like so if I can't take a withdrawal on day one, right, I gotta wait until the following day when it's updated.
Well, no, it still happens the same day. Okay, I know what you're saying, but I guess it is still it's technically still correct.
I guess if you're
not instant.
Yeah, I mean, I guess if you're looking at it I'm looking at it from a market perspective, right? Like a day is when the market closes at 6 p.m. That's the end of the day,
Right. Yeah.
Like so that's the end of my trading day, right? I got when the market opens back up, that's the next trading day. So if we're talking about daily profits and daily withdrawals, I mean, we're talking about profits that are made in the course of a trading day, not in the course of a 24-hour period.
I know. Yep.
But I mean, here I am
Correct.
trying to apply logic.
No, it's cool. But yeah, no. But at the end of the day, once that thing updates, once it updates in the dashboard, you literally go withdraw. Then, I mean, so one of the issues I had was when I did my withdrawal, I thought it was going to be available right away. Like once I saw it on the dashboard, I thought it goes right away. But it took even like another day after that.
Right. So you weren't able to trade the following day.
I wasn't able to trade. Well, I could, but I didn't. You know, I don't want to unpay myself. So I was like, all right, let me wait. And then
I'm gonna wait until that money comes out before I trade it again.
So then when it got approved, and then the money was in the wallet bank on the website, I was like, okay. And then I started trading again. Then I submitted the withdrawal request. Actually, I let the money be there because I was like, I don't know if I want to use this to buy more evals or not. But so then I traded some more, did another withdrawal, traded some more, did another withdrawal, traded some more, did another withdrawal. So after I finished the week off, then I just took all that bread.
Oh, okay.
And then that's what I did.
So when you do the withdrawal, it doesn't just automatically withdraw to your bank account. It withdraws to the wallet.
It withdraws to the wallet, exactly. Then you
gotta
withdraw
okay, but at
from
least
the
that
wallet.
money is safe in there.
Yeah. Once it's in the wallet, it's yours. You can now use that money from the wallet. You can use that money to buy more evals. You can use that money to bless you. You can use that money to put towards activation fees, or you can just withdraw it. And they link up to Plaid. So then, so once I did that, I let all those withdrawals hit. I had all those different withdrawals in the bank wallet or in the wallet. Then I did the withdrawal, and then before you do the withdrawal, they have you do the tax forms. So I did the tax forms; those went through, and then you connect your Plaid bank, and then when you withdraw, then it goes to your bank account. And it took like a day. Actually, I did it on the weekend, so it hit my bank account on Tuesday. But then by that time,
at least they're right on top of. They're right on top of the payout.
Yeah, they are. So then I've just been doing daily payouts every day since. So, I missed one. I didn't do one for.
So you just do the daily payouts to your wallet and then give yourself a paycheck at the end of the week.
Every day. No, I'm doing it every day.
Are you having it to your bank?
Yes. I see what you're saying. Yes, I withdraw it when the money comes out of the thing. It goes in the wallet. Then I pay myself on the weekend. When the money comes, hits me Monday.
A nice paycheck at the end of the week.
Exactly.
That's a good strategy.
And I've just been doing like 300, 400, 300, 400, 500, 300, 400, 400, 300, 400, 500, 300. Nothing crazy. I don't need anything else.
No, that's a good fucking paycheck, man. If you're giving yourself a couple grand a week.
Boom.
You know, 1,500, 2,000 a week. Think about it, 1,500 a week. If you're giving yourself, that's 70 grand a year.
Yeah.
I mean, that's more than a lot of people make at their jobs.
Yep. And then also too, now you have. I'm working on getting more pro accounts, and then at some point I'm gonna be moved to Pro Plus.
Right.
Which is a better split, and then it looks like you're on your way there too. So
that was my plan. Splits. That was my plan to buy at least one more take profit eval with when I get my payout. I'm not gonna invest it in 4 more eval. And then honestly, I start this new job at Bankers Life next week on Monday. You know, and that's gonna fill a lot of my days. Like I gotta be 40 minutes away by 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. So.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna squeeze in my trade, and maybe on my lunch break, I'm gonna be trading the lunch session.
Yeah, if you have to. Yep. Hell yeah. So that's the thing. So and at some point you're probably gonna, once you start, like trading's gonna feel so much easier once you start your job too. Like maybe you won't have enough time to trade, or maybe your time will be limited, but you're gonna feel so much better about your trading. You're gonna feel like if I don't see a move, I don't need it. I don't need to fuck this account up next day.
Right. Yeah, because right now that's all I have to do is look at the charts. Well, I mean, I stay busy, but Like I'm just like every time I'm not doing something, run back and look at the charts.
Right.
But if I only have 15 minutes, for a quick smoke break or something, I'm not even gonna open up the charts, like, because
Exactly.
I don't want to get locked in a position that I gotta hold when I gotta get back.
Yeah, now you got to go back to work. Now you,
Yeah.
yeah.
So most of my trades only last a minute or two, if that.
Yep.
But to be that one time where I'm in a trade for 10 minutes. You know.
It'd be that one time.
Oh.
Yep.
But yeah, this I'm happy with this. Take profit is really the funded that I wanted.
Mm-hmm.
And I did it right. Like I listened to you guys, and I learned from my past mistakes. And I took 7 or 8 days to pass this eval.
Yeah. Yep.
You
There's
know,
no
like
rush.
I
No
was
rush
like,
to
all
it.
right, because
Mhm.
because I know, unlike other companies where, all right, I can pass in 2 days, but now I'm gonna have to wait 8 days or 10
Mhm.
days or 5 days, and then the
This just
rules are
pushes the
gonna,
time back.
then the rules are gonna change on me and shit,
Yep.
like.
Yeah.
That's what I didn't like about my funded, man. Like I really didn't like that, like, because I passed the eval pretty easily, and then you change the rules on me.
Mhm.
Like, so it's like once you think you have the answer, they change the question. I didn't
Yep.
like that at all.
But the thing is, I'll say with take profit, they did the rules are different for funded as we know, but it's clearly stated. Like my funded futures, it was there, but you kind of had to like search for it. But
Right.
with this, their rules is
Yeah.
flat out right there. Boom, can't miss it.
Yeah, like these are the rules. The contract and position sizes don't
Yep.
change. Your drawdown doesn't change. You know.
Yep. It just changes from end of day on the eval to intraday on the
Right.
funded, which is still cool because at the end of
Which
the
is
day,
fine. Like I'm not planning on drawing
yeah.
it down by that much.
And the thing is too, here's my thing when it comes to funding partners, right? Like I need them to make rules to I need like and this is a selfish thought, but there needs to be rules there so that you know as traders maybe traders are having like a difficult time or whatever, like there needs to be revenue generated so that I can get paid.
Right.
Unfortunately, that's how it goes. That's why people, when I hear
Yeah.
other people talk shit about like other prop firms and stuff, they don't like their rules and all this stuff. To me,
Yeah.
I'm like, hey, if you don't like their rules, don't use them.
Right. And I'm amazed. I'm amazed in some of those other chats, man. Like I'm amazed how many people are just unaware of what things are. Like you don't know the rules, you don't know
Yeah.
how you get paid. Like how do you not understand this stuff,
Well,
and you just dump,
you just put money in.
hundreds of dollars into these
Yeah.
evals, and you don't understand how you get paid. Like I'm in
Right.
sales, right? Like right now I'm doing insurance sales, but before I
Mm-hmm.
did sales for Spectrum and stuff like that, right? Like
Mm-hmm.
the first thing that you have to understand in sales is where your money comes from, right? What percentage of your commission are mobile sales, and what part of your incentive is that, and
Right.
how much money are you going to make if you sell this product as opposed to that product? You know what I mean? Like you have to know where your money comes from to maximize those checks. So I don't understand some of these people, like so many questions in those chats
So many dumb questions, and
about those
it'd be dumb
limits,
questions too.
right? Yeah, or this one girl yesterday was like, it's been 10 days business since I put in my payout request. Well, so the way you phrase that tells me that you're not in this country, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the way you phrase your statement, I know you're not in the United States. And if you look on Top Step's website, it clearly says international transfers can take up to 10 business days, and that
Mm-hmm.
is after approval, right? So
Right.
like, just like read the
Look at
shit, man.
read it. That's what when I see dumb questions and people ask questions, what I typically do is I send them a link. I was like, please read.
Yesterday, I told somebody, download ChatGPT so you can ask it all your dumb questions.
Damn.
ChatGPT will tell you whatever you want to know.
Exactly. Like I even like people. I see people ask questions sometimes, and it's like They ask what is the 30% consistency rule, like that. When they ask about a consistency rule, that's
Yeah.
that I must like. There are so many examples, like, and it's just like one day cannot be 30% more than your total profits.
Right.
Like, so what does that mean? It's just like at that point, if you don't understand that, then I don't think
you
should
shouldn't
trade.
be trading. Like, you just stop and study more before you.
Yeah.
Like
I don't know. It's crazy.
Yesterday it was somebody that didn't know what the letter after the ES stood for. I'm like, so you don't know what month contract you're trading? Like, really?
That's horrible.
Or there was one, what was this other one? I fucking forget, man. It was just so much dumb shit. When, I don't know.
Yeah, it's just
But
always some dumb shit.
I mean, look at it though, right? Like, in order for us to have winning trades, we gotta have somebody that's taking the bad trade.
Exactly. And if we're trading these sim funded
Yeah,
/lab accounts, the only way for us to get paid, and these
right.
people are paying PA fees and blowing their accounts.
Yeah, I've been getting.
So,
I was even this morning. I was getting partial fills on some of my take profits.
yeah, damn.
Man, your boy out of breath.
Oh, you're back.
Huh. Boy, I spread it over. I spread it over here.
Oh my god.
You couldn't wait. You couldn't wait to get back to the charts.
Made
Boy,
it to
could
market.
not wait.
Go.
Jesus. Hey, Nate, you know what I actually did today?
What's that?
I actually went and got a couple hundred of my take profit, and I disconnected it from Ninja.
Yeah.
I don't want no ish. Nope. They're not getting me. Nope. No.
This market is looking really crazy right now. Like, just so choppy.
Yeah.
It's like choppy like that week when I blew up all those accounts. Yeah, but this choppiness, like I was trading 5 micros this morning pre-market, but it was a really strong bearish move. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, so.
Yeah.
So then when I saw this choppiness come in around like 8 o'clock, I went down to 2 micros.
Yep.
Figured, because that was the strategy for this range bound choppiness. Like, I can average into positions with smaller sizes, like 1 or 2 micros.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, I can average into like a 6 micro position, just better in my entry point and better in my entry point.
Yep.
And then you know, once I build into it, you know, if it's going against me and I still believe in the direction of the move, I'll just build into it at better and better price points, you know, managing the trade. And then at that point, I only really need to take profit at my original entry point to pick up a couple of points.
That's how it goes. That's why, hey, micros matter.
But they give you the ability to just really build into these positions and widen up the stop, right? Like earlier, I was looking at ATR on the 5-minute. I mean, some of these candles are 30 points long, like on the 5-minute chart, you know, on ES. Like I got a 840 bearish candle that's 53.12 to 52.62 is almost a 50.5-minute candle right there, and then the next candle is about 32 points long, and that's a bullish candle. You know, like these candles, like a 25% ATR. So if you had your stop loss too tight, you were just gonna be bleeding money.
Yep. Getting they call that what's it called? Death by 1,000 ticks. Or death by 1,000 cuts.
Yeah. You it's gonna keep on stopping you out as soon as you enter. Like, and I was even I thought something was wrong with my Dom. It was going crazy. Like there were like 3 point spreads between bid and ask.
Yeah, it's
It was jumping from like one tick spread to like a 3 point spread back and forth. I was like, I can't even enter a market order right now because it might enter me at a 3 point loss right away.
That's how it goes in this market. Better position size down.
Now it looks like nobody's really doing anything here until 9:30.
Yep.
We're waiting to see what happens. Hey Dion, you got no cigarette on?
Yep.
I don't have to get up on the store so I can dress. I got you.
I was gonna buy a pack off this.
Yeah.
In the bed.
That's how it go.
All I do is sleep.
Yeah. We're gonna see.
Let's go.
Oh, it's a good time to take a break from these charts for a minute. See
Yeah,
what happens.
I'm gonna go get this coffee. I'll be back.
Yeah, see what happens on this open. Refresh the coffee. But I'm done. Logged down on my funded.
Hell yeah.
For today and
Shut that down. Lock that payout up, bro. Good shit,
Yeah.
man. Congrats, bro. This is your first one from Take Profit, right?
my first one period
Let's
ever.
First,
Anybody.
your first payout ever.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, like I've had about 6 funded accounts and about 30 blown evals.
I'll tell you this right now. Your your timing in which you got a payout from when you get evals and fundeds is way better than mine. So that's way better than most people. I will gladly admit that. I'm telling you right now. Most people do not get a payout from having less than 6 funded accounts.
Oh no, I'm not. I'm about I would say $800 or $900 in. Like that's all I have pretty much invested.
Yeah, like that right there, bro. That's crazy.
Or maybe I'm a little over 1,000, but a lot of that was the funded account activation fees, like 150.
Bro, no matter what it is, bro, I'm telling you right now, there are people that have invested hundreds of thousands of dollars and have not gotten a single payout.
Yeah, see, I can't do that, man. Like, I gotta sit back, like, what the fuck is wrong? Because after a certain point, I start questioning myself, like, am I gambling? Because I don't want to gamble. You know what I mean? Like
Yep.
there has to be a point where after so many failures, you have to ask yourself, am I gambling or am I investing in myself, right? Am I still paying tuition or am I betting on horses? You know, am I just pressing buttons? Like, what the hell is going on? Even after you've gotten the payout and got a bunch of fundeds and whatnot, if you have a really bad week where you're just getting everything wrong, even that makes you question yourself. You know what I mean?
Of course.
You're like, holy shit! Like, was I just getting lucky before? You know. Like, But no, I'm a couple of payouts. I'll have all my money back in my pocket. But granted, I'm not typical, right? Like I was funded Forex trader with Audacity Capital years ago. And I never got they funded me on an interview. Like I didn't have to take a challenge or nothing. They gave me a $15,000 account. And so I was trading Forex for a long time. I never made money, but I didn't lose money either. So like in Forex, that makes you a pretty good Forex trader, right?
Order
like
filled.
if you don't lose money, right? Like, what do you mean I'm doing good? Well, I haven't made any money. Yeah, but you haven't lost money. You know. Like,
Order submitted.
so, and then my brother's a banker, and he said one of my buddies told me Forex it's really hard to make money. He said, but if you want to really make money, trade futures.
Yep. 2 minutes, yo. 2 minutes to the open. Yep.
But Forex, I mean, you're trading against governments, world banks, hedge funds, you know, everybody hedging their currency. Like, you got the best of the best in the world trading that, you know what I mean? So and huge money, you know, like $4 trillion a day goes through forex. Like it's insane. So it's hard in that market.
It
But
it might even be more than that.
yeah, I mean
Whatever number it is, it's a lot.
Yeah, that was the number, you know, 5 years ago when I was trading it. But the U.S. national debt has gone up by 10 trillion since then.
Yep.
All right, coming up on the open, 2 minutes.
We got almost a minute left. So, hey Serge.
Yeah.
You know, whenever you change the I don't know if you know, but whenever you move the screen around the way you do, it kind of it messes up your scale. I don't know if you realize that. Like, click that F on the top.
Yeah.
And then also too, on the bottom right here, I know you're in a trade, but so I'll let we got some time. Bring this line down to about here. And then click this F. There you go. A little easier for you. All right.
All right, let's see what's about to happen here.
20 seconds, man. Let's go. And then Serge, later on, we can work on some ATMs and stuff for you.
Bet. Appreciate it, fam.
Let's go. Let's get it. 5 seconds, y'all.
All right, it's starting to go crazy. Here we go.
Let's get it.
All right, a little uncertainty.
Spreads are crazy.
Yo, watch for that early fake out.
Spreads are absolutely nuts right now.
Yeah, it's going nuts. Gotta watch for this early fake out, y'all.
Yep. All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna get my coffee.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled.
Wellness check. Y'all there?
I'm chilling. I'm kind of just waiting to see what we do here because
Yeah, man, we're
we're not really moving too much.
Yeah, I'm good. Took a couple of moves on the Bull and Ox, but I'm just playing with my eval, man. My profits are locked in on my funded.
Man, crazy ass day, yo.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll get baby mama some edibles in a little while.
Hey, I came back to someone saying they gonna give their baby mama some edibles.
Yeah, she hit me up. I don't smoke or drink or do nothing no more, but she hit me up like 8:30 this morning. Like, you bring me some edibles? I'm like, damn, man, let me wake up. I'm not even dressed. I'm still in my pajamas.
That's hilarious.
Damn, it's Friday morning, yo.
Hey, wellness check on everybody. How's everybody doing today, man?
Today's a good day.
Locking in some profits for the weekend, man.
Right. For the ones we haven't heard from.
Nah, I'm good. I'm just tired. I want to finish this fucking eval.
I feel you.
Mike, good shit, yo. Good shit.
Yes, sir.
All night, bro. I revenge trade. Like, don't ever do what I did.
Damn.
Don't do that.
Nah, I was just mad. I lost my 250K PA like 3 days into having it like a dummy. So I was like, man, nah. I caught that move. I caught all the sales last night.
So what are you doing? What are you doing different? What'd you do wrong?
I tied it to NQ. So on my micros, I trade like 5 or 10 at a time, but it bought 10 NQs.
Damn.
And
you had 10 minis? Oh god.
Damn.
Yeah, I got smoked on it because they want you to make 15K, but you only got 6,500 live trailing drawdown.
Bro, so that's only
blink.
Before I realized I was down like 4K.
Sheesh.
I was down like 4K on it.
That's only 4K is only 8 points, man.
It's not much.
Damn.
Blink. What happened? Blink. What happened?
Yeah, what happened?
Like that's like a 10 or 11 point drop, something like that. And I was like, yo.
Hey, double check.
I ain't gonna lie, that was me that one day that we had that crazy day.
Yeah.
I said blink. Oh shit, blink. Oh shit.
Yeah. So I mean, they send you Apex sends you like a reset code when you fail a PA
for the 80%.
Yeah, but it was weird because even my 250K, I was like, let me get another one. I'll do this shit quick, and I got it for like $33.
Nice.
Yeah, so like $33. Man, I stayed up all last night going ham. I'm at
came back with a vengeance.
I'm at 14,679 right now. I need $331.
Hey.
So you lowering your position sizes?
Yeah. I'm on the micros right now. I was trading NQ last night,
bro.
But I was only doing like 1-2 contracts at a time, just catching all these drops.
Let's go.
Now I'm in micros. Just 5 micros for a 30-point drop and rich.
I don't care what the hell is happening, man. Like last night, I fell asleep and then I woke up to Sergio saying, "Market dumping crazy right now." and I opened up my laptop half asleep. Lost a quick $300. I was like, oh
damn.
I lose money every time. That's Sergio. What we talking about? Tripping over the same rock? Like that's one of my rules.
Bro,
don't trade after hours market.
Yeah, that's where I blew most of my fundings.
And that's the rule that I break the most. Like trading after hours. I always lose money on an Asian session. Still keep doing the same dumb shit. Especially Sunday nights are my worst because I'm like all weekend waiting for the market to open.
Yeah, that'd be the worst day.
Hey, Mike.
What's up?
What was your strat for when the market was dumping like that?
Last night?
Yeah.
So, I mean, I was overall bearish anyway. We're going into Friday, and if you look at the weekly chart on NQ, way back from like September, our weekly levels were way down here. Like
Right.
if we're gonna sweep anything or target anything, it's gonna be those lows, those two big ass weekly candles. You see like one low, one up.
Yeah.
I was like, bro, we don't have anything in between that. I switched to the 1 hour to the 15. I'm like, it's just there was nothing really for it to grab. So I was like, yo, I think we're just gonna keep going down.
You know what's been working for me? I'll set like I'll look for a critical level, and I just when we're at like, let's say the market bounced from that little point, I'll just set a sell order right below it for a daily low, and so far it's been working good.
Yeah, I just overall this week is just bare. It's just a nasty week. We're gonna finish this. I'm trying to see what the weekly looks like right now.
I got my
nasty.
2,000 point candle on a weekly time frame. Like it's wild.
Yeah, I was looking at my week when I got up. I looked at my phone. I usually don't. I get up early, but I usually don't. Look at the charts that quick. But I seen Sergio's message, and so also I looked at my phone, and I see that because I have the widgets. I'm like, wait, ES down 140. Wait, what? Hold on. And then I seen Sergio's message. So I get up, turn the charts on, go brush my teeth, come back to the chart. I'm like, yo, what the?
We dropped almost 500 points in 45 minutes.
Yeah, it was wild. That London was wild. But yeah, if you look at if you're on the MQM chart and you go to the weekly time frame, you'll see that.
Bro, that's so great. That's the
way down there.
I put that picture in the in the chat of the weekly, and yeah, you can see. I put that. Yeah, you can see that. We took out the week of August 9th's low, and then now we have some lows from January of 2024.
Yeah,
those lows would be 17,569. That's a level I have marked off now because I'm like, wait, I got to mark off some more levels. So, and then I have another level that I marked off from a long time ago, and that's at 15,500. So I don't know what the fuck is going on, but actually, so I did that on that. Did I mark that off for? Okay, I did. All right. Yeah, this is insane. This is insane shit.
Yeah.
This is insane.
It's a bit much.
This is crazy, bro.
Especially for tariffs news, like this is wild.
Yeah. Yeah. This is.
We in a bear market?
Oh yeah. Yeah. We are. Yeah. I mean, because from, let me see. I'm gonna put from here to where we are, and I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna say percentage, currency percent. We are 21% futures. Okay. This contract, we are 21% off the highs. I don't know what the technical number for bear market is, but that's where we are. So, Serge, check this out.
Mm-hmm.
Make a new tab.
Yeah, I was gonna say if we could see that, like, show your chart or see it on somebody's chart.
Yep, new tab. Cancel.
I just passed, by the way.
Good shit, bro. Let's get it.
Oh God.
Serge, right click on the tab. No, I got you, bro. Trust me.
Okay.
I got you. Right click on that tab, on the tab you're in. No, not the new one. Right click on the actual tab. Duplicate in a new tab. Nope.
That's new window.
This guy. I got you, bro.
Right click.
Just that boy auntie right now. All right, here we go. Now change this to a weekly. Top. Go to the top. Change that to a 1 week. Week and then 1.
What contract is he on? I can't see. I'm on my phone.
He's on the June.
Okay.
So now, okay, click the top right arrow. Right click on the chart. Right click. Go to properties. That's my fault. Cancel. Right click, data series. Top, data series.
Data series?
Up, right there.
Scroll down, scroll all the way down. Plot execution, see how it says text and marker? You see plot executions? Do not plot. Click OK.
Or apply.
And then now, so now what you're gonna do is take the ruler. So on the left side of the chart, go top left. Yep, click on that. Yep. Now put that first drop, put it to the top of that wick of the December wick. Nope, December. To the nope.
The high, all-time high.
Right there. All-time high.
I'm trying to move there we go. Right here.
There you go. Right there. Now do it to the bottom of that candle.
Right here?
One more. Yep, right there. And then do one more click in the middle of the chart.
This is your Fibonacci extension?
Middle of the chart, bro. To the left. Middle of the chart. Middle of the chart. There you go. Boom.
Right here?
Higher. A little higher. So we can see it. A little higher. Drop it. Click. Now, click on any of those lines that came from that tool. Double click it. Now, you see how it says Y value display unit price?
No.
Click that drop down. Y value display unit price. Click that.
Y value display unit.
Yep, your mouse is just on it.
Yeah.
Click that. Click that drop down. Click percent. Click OK. With 21, you see how it says Y value in that square?
Oh.
In the square you put in the middle of the chart?
Oh yeah, 21.47%.
We are 21% from the high.
That's wild.
Damn.
Yep. Make sense now?
Think about it. What we made up almost a year was gone in a month.
Dang.
Yep. Wipe that out. Clean. So now you have a weekly chart to use.
Hey,
and also too, what you want to do is right click on your chart. Go to indicators. Remove AMA fibs.
Right here.
Yep. Remove. Click just apply. Okay. Click OK. There you go. So now you got a weekly chart.
Hey, let's go.
Boom. Yes, sir. This is this is
let me
crazy.
save it to make sure that it's saved.
Yep. Control center save.
Wrong one.
Yep. Workspace save. And actually, you know what? Save that. Yep. And then I'm gonna have you do something else too. Let me know once that workspace button's available.
Okay, we're good.
Is the workspace button available?
Workspace.
Go to save as. Click save as. Click fibs backup. Nope. Click fibs backup.
Oh, my bad. I'm tripping.
You gotta work with me. You gotta work with me, Serge. Click save. Yes. Now, let me know when the workspace button's available again. All right, go to save as. Click fibs. Click save. Yes. Now you have it as a backup as well. So now keep doing what you're doing. If you fuck up the fibs workspace, you have it in the fibs backup.
Oh, bet. Appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir. I got you, bro. I got you. Yes, sir. So now, yeah, now you're good. Now go back to whatever we're doing. Yes, sir.
Thank you, fam.
I got you all day. Yes, sir. Yeah, this ain't the day to be playing around with your accounts.
No,
This
no,
ain't the
no.
day. No, sir. Nope. Let me see. Hold on, I gotta minimize this guy. Okay. Let's see what they talking about.
That drop came like crazy this morning, yo.
Yeah, man.
Bro, I didn't know one of those accounts was still alive. I'm like, wait a minute.
Man, I know that's a good feeling when you saw that was ready.
Yeah, I'm like, all right, fuck it, let's go. Because that one got the daily loss limit. And I said, fuck it. If I lose, I only lose $400. And bro,
yep.
Basically account pass just with that little fart, but that should be
so
50.
Fire. So fire.
Man, hopefully they have that save.
Order filled. Order
Yeah,
filled.
they need that.
Target filled.
What was that?
Target filled.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, that was wild.
What up?
Yo, hold on. That was, bro. That was, bro. They just did 50 points in 2 seconds.
Damn.
Oh, that's crazy that the algo took that trade, bro. I
Oh
didn't even.
shit.
We just bounced off a fair value gap on the 1 minute. That's why, and the
And
bottom order block.
we also
Hell
rejected
yeah,
off of 38 too.
the order block and the order block and that fair value. I was
Yep.
watching that shit. I was eyeing the shit out of it.
Yep, I was waiting for it. That's why I took the shorts. I took the shorts down to that area, seeing if we'd get to it. That's how when I passed the account. I was like, yo, if we're gonna pull back for anything, it's gonna be there.
Yeah, there's a beautiful order
Now we
block.
pushed like all the other days.
Yeah, look at this shit. This is nuts.
It's crazy how you sit
Funny.
together, huh?
Why is it too?
Bro.
Taps it and boom.
Today don't even feel real, bro.
Yeah, today this is absolutely insane. Like, this is when you start using big words like absolutely.
Absolutely.
This is
Humongous.
absolutely humongous, gigantic,
Ginormous.
ginormous. Yeah, this is some different shit. Yeah. Right. Wow.
And he just stay stuck. I'm always in my platform.
Hey Lou,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my
you
platform.
see that I show speed with Tony?
Yeah, I saw that. He gave him a sign, and then he gave him the Ronaldo joint.
Yep.
Yeah, I saw that.
Crazy, huh?
I saw that this morning. That
Man,
shit was right on my timeline. I'm like, oh, Tony.
Hey, dude's funny with his ads.
Yo, that dude is hilarious. And that's why he's probably picking up a lot of traction because his marketing is second to none.
Yeah, dude's funny as fuck. I've been seeing little compilations, top 5 Tony intros.
Yeah, he too funny. He is too funny.
Yeah, that's gay. Anyway, how about?
Oh my god. Shit, too funny. Too funny. Oh man. Too funny. Sir, that weekly joint.
Order filled.
Okay. Oh, because of this. That's why I need to be. I'm like, why are you doing that?
Stop filled.
Oh. Hmm.
Bro, I went to bed at like 7 something last night. Then I woke up at 10 for like a few minutes and then went back to bed.
That boy said, fuck that.
Yeah, I might
I'm
have
out
like
of
12
there.
hours of sleep, 13 hours.
Hell yeah. Let's see.
Order filled.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some late.
Alright, word.
Target filled.
Yo. Oh, damn. It's fucking laundry. Okay, that's good. Mike, check me.
All right, boys, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna be out. I gotta go to work soon. It's gonna be a
boy said-
long 48
You're tired
hours.
of looking at the market. Damn.
Yeah, and I gotta work till tonight. So.
All right.
Yeah, boy. I will see y'all on Monday.
Already, bro.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, guys.
All right, laundry. That's it. I gotta do the rest. Okay. Let that cook.
The kid.
You. All right, I got. Let's see. I'm gonna put. Like this.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see. They break that 100. What they got? Who's still in the building?
The boy.
Yeah.
I'm already green for the day, man. I think I'm gonna hop off. At least from the church to look at the church. I don't want to ruin that. I was already green, and then now I got greedy, and then I got into a trade, and I was negative, and I was able to bring it back to green. So I'm
Damn.
gonna just leave it alone.
Order filled.
I'm tired of shit, but I ain't gonna lie. Today I woke up, I fell asleep in my truck after dropping off my kids from school.
Mm-hmm.
Dropping them off to school. I came back home. I didn't even make it out the truck. I
Order
was sitting in the
order
truck
filled.
to like from 7 a.m. to like 7:40, 7:50. Them during a whole hour, I was fucking tired. Like, damn. I had to shake that
Target
shit off.
filled.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man.
Target filled.
Damn, son, where you find this?
Mhm.
Bro, I just made me some Scooby Doo sandwiches. they're like 10 feet tall.
Damn.
Bro, tell me what was. I'm about to send you a video. You have TikTok?
Yeah.
I'm about to send you a video right now. Watch. Of a guy eating like a actual Scooby Doo sandwich, bro.
Mm.
You see it right here, dude.
Order filled.
Take it. I sent it in the founders group, bro. It's just that guy's like, and you just watch him eat it, bro. That would devours the fuck out that sandwich.
Damn.
Oh, you sent something? Oh, let me see it.
Damn, bro, dude ain't planes.
Let me see it.
Oh Jesus, I died. Bro, that's close to mine, Joe. I ain't gonna lie.
That's a huge ass.
God damn. Jesus Christ. Fuck.
Bro, I
I
put
don't
no
even got to see the whole video.
Stop filled.
Oh, my mouth's on fire, bro.
Man. Yeah, I'm over here just trading. This is beautiful. Yeah. Hold on. Let me see it. This is insane.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bro. This is insane stuff. Let's see.
Six, 7 slices of ham, beans, and mayo on white bread. Aquaman. One sandwich.
That's gonna be a new thing. Aquaman.
Bro, I put nopales on my shit.
Oh no shit. The nopales go hard, bro.
Yeah.
Do you fuck with nopales?
I don't even know what that is.
Cactus.
What is it?
Cactus.
Order filled.
So, there's a cactus. They cut out the little spikes,
Yeah,
cut it into pieces, and you can eat it all kinds of ways.
the flat ones, it gotta be the flat ones. There's
Yeah, gonna have to
types
show
of
me that.
cactuses.
Mm-hmm.
Man, that shit go hard, bro. You eat that shit raw? Or you eat it cooked? It go hard.
With carne asada. Ooh, like a little girl one with carne asada. Sheesh.
Or just a cactus taco, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Target filled.
Yeah, I went to the Mexican store and they got this like little picadillo. It's like nopales cut with like onions and tomato, kind of like pico de gallo with nopales.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we both said that at the same time.
Oh shit, that's crazy.
Let me see. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think my girl gonna have to show me that. Bro, this market is going stupid, bro.
And that's
Oh
why
my
I'm staying
God.
out of it.
Man. I got these if I you know what? Let me this is crazy. Ooh. That's what that is? Okay.
Mm-hmm. They're good, bro. When you eat it, it can be like slimy, but it's good. I don't know how to describe it. It's got
Yeah,
like a
it's
it's
good,
got like
but
a slime to it.
yeah, like a little slime, like a little. It's a little slimy, not too much, but it's kind of like aloe vera, bro. But not really. You know what I'm saying? Kind of.
Okay.
And then it's a little sour too. Like the when you bite it, it has like a tiny little, just a
It's kind of like
little.
a tomato, kind of like a tomato, but with a crunchier feel to it,
Yeah.
like a crunchy, very crunchy tomato,
Hmm.
and a little bit more sour. If you got any Mexican stores in your neighborhood, you can probably find it in there. They should already be cut where they take all the little, what you call them, the little spikes out of them,
Hmm.
and you can just cut it and eat it with your steak. It's got like a lot of nutritional properties to it. I don't know what it all is, but I know it's very healthy.
Yeah, it is dumping heavy. It's insane.
Looks like we're going to the lows.
Yep. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Insane stuff. Insane stuff. Insane stuff. Hmm. How much lower are we gonna go?
Man, we're going to the bottom of the ocean today.
Man, they came up, tapped the 50% and just dumped. They said
What if
dump
they
it down.
drop? What if they drop some crazy news, and at the end of the day, we like engulf the whole session?
Yo, put that chart back to the what time frame you had it. I got you. All you need to do is change tabs to go to the weekly.
Oh yeah.
There you go. And all those levels, did you lock them?
No, they're just levels for today.
Oh, okay. Yep. There you go.
In the morning, bro, when I woke up early, I
Mhm.
had like um yeah, see like how here I got 289. So this little
Yeah.
range is 289, and this little range is 124. Because bro, we were having so much volatility, it was crazy to
What do you mean? What do you mean by it's 124?
yeah. This little range is 124. I thought it was unless
Like,
I
are
did
you saying it went to like 18,124, or are you saying there's 124 points?
from here to here it's 124 points.
Oh, okay, gotcha. There you go.
Yeah. There was so much volatility, bro. I had to
Mm,
mark just to because it was making me lose sense of reality just because
yeah,
the scandals were so big. I'm like, hold up, wait a minute, I'm not used to this. I
yeah,
better mark this shit. So
yeah.
I did like 3 layers of 100. They're
Mm,
gone now. but I had 100, 100, 100, and 100.
Yeah. This is insane stuff, man. Wow.
Those cells, those cells are tempting. There's just this volatility.
I think we're going up from here, bro. You know,
Reverse.
higher. I'm waiting for close. Yeah, candle close above. Yeah, bring that one back.
Y'all want to play
Little
board today?
pullback. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. At some point, for sure.
Mhm.
Let me see. This is what they doing. Hey,
Hey, you know that feeling when we were in like school and it was like the last day of school that you're like hyped because it was the last day,
mm-hmm.
bro. Today the charts make me feel like that today.
Yeah, bro. It makes sense too.
Yeah, it's like this crazy like euphoric slash fucking I don't know how to describe it. Like a thrilling, you know, it's thrilling.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm done for the day. I made some good.
Y'all done?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I'm ready
Yes,
for 4.
sir.
Ready for 4, but we could do. It's still gonna go higher. It's gonna go higher.
Yeah.
Ooh. I'm not even gonna fumble. Fuck that.
Yeah, don't.
Oh, that bike. I know you want it back, homie.
Yeah. What bike? Man, that's my bike. The market pulling up to what you got on my 40.
For real.
Got some high rollers and you ain't got nothing.
It's right here, homie. Come right in.
Look at that. Ooh. If you hold it just a couple more points to like 1877. That's a great target.
Shit, bro. If we continue to have this type of market, I might just switch to like 1 or 2 micros per day.
Yeah.
Man, it moves crazy, bro.
You know, all those tariffs, they're, used to stimulate growth inside the country. So I kind of want to see how things play out, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
Yo,
Yeah.
Surge, right
Yeah.
click on your chart and click reload. You see that gap in price?
Yeah. Reload all
Yeah.
historical.
Yep. Yep. It's coming, I think. Let's see. Did it load? Or reload Ninja Script? Try that. Because that's a big ass gap.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nope.
that's weird.
I think it'll come back. Go ahead.
Huh?
I was gonna say I think it'll come back once I restart the whole
Yeah.
platform.
Probably.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
that's crazy.
I think that's what happened this morning too.
Okay. All right. Yo, you got time? You want to do that thing we were gonna do earlier?
Oh yeah, let's do that.
All right. Go to. Let me see. I got you. Let's see. Let's see. All right. All right, I got you. Do this. Go into. Let's see. Click this link. I'm about to put a link in chat for you to do. Switch you. Here, hold on. Here, Zoom. Also, see, let me see the charts behind it, and then go to Zoom. Here. Oh, 1 second. Let's see.
I'll put this link in the.
All right. Go to. I got you, bro. Give me 1 second. Click that link. Martin, you in front of your charts?
I'm in front of the trading view.
All right, click on this link also. You do the same.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay. Yep. Now click that little download top right here. Click that download. And Martin, let me know when you do that too.
Yeah, is this
It's gonna help you out.
info XML and then MS data?
Yeah. Are you on the screen? Can you see Serge's screen also?
Yeah.
All right. Do exactly what Sergio's doing. Let me know what part you're at.
See Surge.
Hold on.
We gotta download all of them, right?
Hold on, but where are you? Right where Serge is?
Yeah.
Just let me know once you're there.
Yeah, I'm right where Surge is at.
All right. So did you? No, you don't got to. Don't open that file, Serge.
Okay, bet.
Click anywhere outside of this. You said Martin? Did you downloaded the zip? Serge, move that little downloads little window. Like click right here.
Oh, this?
Yeah, click don't switch.
Zip.
No, why'd you click X? Click this X. My fault. I got you, bro.
It wouldn't get off, so that's why I did it.
Ah, okay. All right. Martin,
Zip,
where you at?
Zip extractor, right?
Nope. I
No?
just need. Hold on.
Just click download.
Just click this. Or just click that up there.
Okay, got you.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then let me know once it downloads. Don't open the folder though. Don't open that file. Just let me know once you do that.
Yeah, mine should be downloadable.
All right, cool. Now go to y'all's control centers. You can X this window out now. X out this web browser. Go to control center. And then Martin, let me know once you're there as well.
Okay.
Order filled.
Oh, you still trading, Serge? I didn't know you were still trading, bro. I thought you my fault.
I think I was done, but I seen that breaking this level that was high.
Gotcha. Let's go. Well, I'm with it then. Shit.
Order filled.
All right. If that's what we doing, then that's what we doing.
Order filled.
All right, control center, right? Well,
Yep. Let me know when you're in the control center.
I'm on the control center.
Okay.
Get it, Serge. Get it.
Order filled.
Locked in. All right. I closed that position.
Close it.
Yep.
Okay.
Target filled.
Let's go. All right. I'm ready, Lou.
Okay. Hold on 1 second. Trying to figure out what's going on with my chart.
I do apologize. I do see
Target
that
filled.
it was breaking that low. I'm like, oh, all right, hold up, wait a minute.
No, you good. You good. All good. If we got to get a bag, we got to go get a bag. Shit. Let's go. Okay, so all right. Yeah, this is easy pickings right now. Okay. So now go to tools and import.
Tools and import.
And then Ninja Script add-on. Martin, let me know if you're following along.
Yeah, I'm with it.
Cool. Let's go. And then once that window pops up, let me know. Yeah, we diving.
All right, the window popped up.
All right. Now go to that downloads folder.
The NTA lag analyzer?
Yep.
Okay.
Same thing we use. Search is on the top. There you go.
Open.
Yep. Yes, sir. And then I think you might be required to restart.
Bet. Man, these charts be hypnotizing me, yo.
I already know. And then, hold on, let me confirm if you have to restart or not. Hold on 1 second. All right. So now, is it good? Martin, you good?
Yeah.
Successfully imported?
Yeah.
All right. Go to new on your control center. Click on new.
Mm-hmm.
Control center new.
Go to market analyzer. Move your control center top left. Nope. Move your control center top left, and then put this window right in the middle. My fault. You might have to read. Yeah. There you go. Control center. Make sure you put that to the right, top right. Unless you still want to see the charts. You still want to see the market.
No, I'm good. I'm good now.
All right. Move your control center over so you can see the dots. You still can't see them dots on the left.
Oh, right here.
So remember, nope, the dots. That's one. So go top left. Go up next to connections. Double click. You don't got to drag. Double click. There you go. All right. Now move your control center. Move your control center back up top. Yep. Exactly. All right. Market analyzer. Put that a little higher for me. All right. Cool. Now, go ahead and under instruments, right click anywhere. Right click anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Go to add instrument. Top on the top, all the way to the top. Now click on NQ. Not MNQ, NQ.
Oh,
Yep. And then also click ES. Don't worry.
Oh, look,
And
that's
we'll change that. Don't worry. Don't worry. Right
My
click
bad.
and then go to ES. Also go to tools. Go to in your control center. Go to tools. Go to database management. Click rollover. Yep. Click X. You see how that instrument changed?
Bet.
All right. Now, go to. Hold on one second. Hey, you did the same thing, Martin?
I didn't have the NQ, so I put search,
Okay.
and I'm searching
Yeah.
for NQ.
So it should be in the when you go to do one of those little analyzer things, what you need to find is I got you. What you need to do is once you right click, when you go to add instrument,
Yeah.
you're gonna find it when you go to indexes. So scroll, like click on the add instrument. You don't see NQ or pinned anything. Go all the way down to indexes. No, my fault. I'm lying. Go to futures.
Futures, yeah.
And then now you can see NQ.
Yeah, I got an NQ, yeah.
All right, put an NQ there and put an ES there.
Okay.
Put an NQ and then also put an ES, right?
Yeah.
And then also now, when you go to right click, you go to add instrument again.
Mm-hmm.
Do that same thing with that same window. When you see NQ and ES, there should be a pin next to it. If there is no pin, hover over that instrument and put a pin. And I'm talking about when you hover over it, it's on the top of the list, not down in indexes and over. No, right when you right click those instruments, they show the recently looked at instruments.
Yeah.
Did you put a pin on them?
Yeah.
You hovered and put the pins?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, now go ahead and right click in the middle of this market analyzer.
Okay.
Both of y'all. And Surge.
What was that?
Right click. Go to columns. You see columns, Martin?
Yeah.
You see, okay. You see that folder up top that says Neuro Street on the top left?
Yeah.
Click that and then click on the data lag. Nope, you're not there yet. You gotta click on data lag. Just click it, double click it. Double
Right
click data lag.
Okay.
Double click. There you go. Now, hold on one second. Hold on. All right. Now go ahead and click OK. All right. Now, put this window more towards the middle for me. All right. You see your lag? You have no lag right now. So what this means is make this window smaller or short. Make it shorter from the bottom. There you go. All right. So you see right now you have no lag. You want to make sure that number is less than. You always want to make sure that number is less than 1 second. Because if it's more than 1 second, that means that the data you're getting is you're 1 second behind the exchange.
Living in the past.
Living in the past. So that whenever you see your charts all fucked up, like, actually go ahead and workspace and save. Workspace, save as under fibs. And then fibs back up. Save. Yes. Workspace. Fibs back up. Save as. Fibs. Save. Yes. There you go. All right. Now you got that. So, boom. So now you will always know if your whatever needs lagging. Okay. Or if it's lagging. Martin, you got that?
Yeah.
All right. Now go on the time on the bottom of your chart. Right here. Click on the time.
On my time in front of the computer?
Yep. Click on the time. Yep. Now, actually, my fault. Right click. Right click. Nope. Put your mouse back. Right click. Go to adjust date and time. Now, make this screen a little smaller. All right. Go to. Oh. Now bring this, expand that higher. Expand this window. There you go. Yep, perfect. Now click on sync. All right. So now the sync is good. Okay. You do that, Martin?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Now, next thing, last thing we're gonna do. You can X this window out now, Serge. We about to make a new low, y'all.
Ooh.
This is insane. Okay.
Mhm.
So now, last thing, go to that link in the Zoom chat.
This one?
So those windows, we can't see them. Click go to site. Yep. Martin, do the same.
Okay.
Let me know when you're there.
Ooh, new low.
You're low.
What link?
In the Zoom chat.
Okay.
Let me know when you click it.
Not the YouTube video one, right? The other one?
Yep, the second link.
Okay. This is, do I want to go to site or back to YouTube?
Go to site.
Okay.
Yep.
Ooh, we're ripping down.
Yes, we are. Let me know when you got that window up, Martin.
Yeah, I have it up.
All right. Now, go ahead and click on the link that says, hold on a second. Give me one sec. Scroll down. Now, wait. Oh, no, damn. Stop right there. Boom. All right. Martin, you see?
NTP42.
You see that link?
Yeah.
Go ahead and click that link. All right, cool. Now, go ahead and open that. Let me know when you open that up, Martin.
Do you want to allow this app from?
Yep.
Yes. Yep. Okay. Bet.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. And I'm also doing a video on this too, just so that everyone can have this. Because a lot of times what happens is, hold on, I'm taking a piss. A lot of times what happens is, you need to be synced up. The Windows has their own server for time, and if your windows aren't synced up, then there are times where like the data might just mess up. And so that's why when I had you right click on the time on the bottom right, you still have the option to sync now. You know what that means? If you have the option to sync now, that means you were not synced.
Yeah.
Right? So now what I'm showing you, what I'm going to show you is something that will have you never have to go to the sync now. Click agree. Martin, let me know, you with me?
Yeah.
Click agree, click now, click next. Click next.
Ooh, look at that. Dumpy dump.
Dumpy dump.
It says create a password.
It says create a password.
Yeah, enter.
Wait. Serge, hold on. It says create a password.
Yeah.
Share your screen.
Oh, okay.
And Serge, keep yours up.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
See it?
Let me check something real quick. Hold on.
You lost.
Wait, go back.
Me?
Oh yeah, because Yeah, smart, because you nexted it through everything. You didn't. Yeah, you gotta hold on. Yeah, you're now you're at the right spot. You went too fast.
Okay.
Y'all got them auntie fingers.
You want me to go next?
Y'all look funny, huh?
We want me to go next?
All right. So now both of y'all on this screen, you see how it says none? Click that drop down. And then go to US. Scroll all down to United States. Keep going. Scroll down more. United States. Boom. Also, too, you click that check where create an initial configuration. Yeah. And then hold on. One sec.
Oh, that's crazy.
Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Did you do that too, Serge?
What's that?
Did you do what I just told Martin to do?
Yeah, the create initial configuration.
Yeah, but you didn't gotta check it.
Oh, it was check. I thought I'd check it.
There you go. Now click next. Now, Martin, click next.
You want to
Now
review?
Yep, click yes. Sergio, click yes. Click now. You can X out that window. You can X out that notepad. And then same thing, Martin. If you got it, let me see. All right, now you're here. Now click next. Martin, click next. Let me see. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. What the? Hold on. 1 second. Give me 1 sec, y'all. Oh, my fault. On the bottom, click system account. Martin. Yep. And then Sergio, make sure you click go back. Sergio, go back. Click system account. Now go next. Now Martin, go next. Yep.
Finish.
Now click finish. And then Sergio, click finish.
Mm-hmm. I did.
All right, let me see. Now both of y'all, right click on the date and time thing. Right click on the date and time.
Date and time.
Like down here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right there. Yep. Right click. Yep. Adjust date and time. Let me know when you're there, Martin.
I'm there.
All right, now click sync now and watch what happens. You should get an error. Let me know if you get an error.
Yeah,
Yeah,
phone synchronization failed. Please check network connectivity and retry.
You know why?
Why?
Because it's automatically synced now. You don't need to do that. So now that function is no longer necessary.
Bet.
So now your date and time will always be synced to the Windows servers. Always. So now you never need to sync it. You never need to do that.
Hey,
so now y'all are good.
Bet.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate that, sir.
Yes, sir. So now, let me see. Yeah, so now you can X that out. And you can X out this Meinberg software window surge. And then yeah, y'all good. Y'all are good to go.
And I'll save.
Good to go. Yeah. You don't even go ahead and do that. Yep.
But I have a question, Lou. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I see your screen. Yep.
Why mine says 60 minutes?
Let me see. Go ahead and oh, that's not good. Right click. Go to reload Ninja Script. Oh, you probably have really bad internet. Huh. Yeah. Good thing you're showing me this. Let me see. Let me look at Surge's right quick. You have that, Surge. You didn't X out that window, right?
Which one?
The one that you just had up. The Ninja Trader window.
No. This one?
All right, let me see that. Yeah, move that end data lag timer. That's so weird. Yours is right where it's supposed to be, and Martin's is internet speed. Ah, yeah. Your internet is very fast. Okay, click X. You might just need to restart your computer, Martin.
Oh, okay. Oh, Brody. All right, cool. Because
That's weird. Actually, no, restart Ninja. X out Ninja. Nah, not even, nope. Go to X out Ninja. And then save, yes. There you go. Yes. Yep. And then once that closed out, then we're gonna open it again. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, that candle.
Oh, I know why it's on 60 minutes. I know why it's on exactly 60 minutes. Do you know why?
Why?
Because you have your time where you have your you have your current time and you have your chart time different. That's why.
Okay.
That's why it's gonna show 60 minutes. So but you want if you want everything on Eastern Standard Time,
Yeah.
it's gonna be that way.
Oh.
So right now you have your time set 9:55 a.m. on your computer, but you have Eastern Standard Time data on Ninja. So it's always going to be an hour behind. So I'm not sure what you want to do, but if you want to, like I know Surge has his synced, like his charts. Wait. Yeah, his charts is in his same time zone. Yours isn't. So I don't know what we want to do, but it looks like either way, if your data lag says 60 minutes, that means that you're pretty good, but I don't know exactly by the millisecond what your data lag is.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Okay.
So like right now, your data lag could be 60 minutes and 30 seconds. That's bad. But if it's only 60 minutes, that means you're good. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I don't think you've had issues with yours. So I think you should be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, you should be good. But Surge, Surge, your data time should be much better now. I still don't know why your bid and ask is all fucked up, but
yeah,
not sure what that is.
I'll be cool with it. I know sometimes we get a higher spread, especially at times like this, but I think that's okay. Bro, when I tried messaging Bolnox, there were no help.
Yeah, this is very weird.
Yeah, they try to pin everything down. Oh, well, that's not.
Oh, market's going up, y'all.
Yeah,
200 points in like 6 minutes.
Right. Yeah. So I don't know what the issue is, but whatever. Yeah. But it looks like as long as you're good, as long as your prices are getting filled the right way, then you should be straight.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, bro. I got you for sure. So yeah, we chilling. We chilling. Right. We chilling. Yeah. Should be good to go.
Order filled.
Reset my thing today, actually.
Reset what?
My Bolnox. Let me check.
Target filled.
Okay.
Oh, your Bolnox resets?
Yeah, I think it resets today.
Oh, nice. And you'll be $50.
Is it if it resets today, it should have reset already. Your account should already be reset, unless it's not.
That's what I'm trying to check. I think I might be out by a couple of days.
Oh, okay.
You can check.
Oh yeah, it's on the 6th. Never mind, 2 more days.
There you go. Because they reset in the morning, so yeah, you should be straight.
Yeah, fam. Have you some bucks ready for next save 90? That way you can catch you like 6 evals.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely. Won't get this. I'm actually waiting for it because I haven't been using the Ninja Trader. I've been using Top Step X, but I'm like, fuck, I don't want to forget what I remember, you know, what I learned.
Yeah, that's all good. It looks like we're chilling, so hey, good money.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was gonna get in the trade right now, but nah, I'm not even going to.
I'm $47 away from passing this eval. It was passed, bro, but I did something silly earlier.
Oh
Yeah.
man.
I mean, hey, I'm not telling you what to do, but if you want to go get that little $50 in this market, set you an ATM or one NQ.
Yeah.
For like 10 ticks, and just literally go in the direction of the market. Like try it on another eval first. Don't like just so you can see what I mean.
Let me see if sim would work. Yeah.
Try it on. Go custom. Do profit. Do 10 ticks. Put the stop loss at like 200 ticks. Do order quantity 1. Save as template. Type in 10 space and then all caps TIX. Save. Click OK. Make sure you go to the NQ. Yep. Or there you go. Boom. And then let's see how. I just want you to like get a feeling of it. So you'd be like, oh, okay, boom. But make sure you do it like.
Yeah, I got it on the other contract. Shit.
All right, so yeah, go do the same thing. Go back to your workspace. Yeah, click on that. Now go back up top. Go back to the NQ again, the same area you went, and pin it. Nope, you just pinned the wrong one.
Oh shit!
What? Look at that! Look at that! It's just going up, bro. It's just going up.
Order submitted.
It's just flying.
Did it go? Oh, you don't have any data. I don't know what's going on with your shit. You can't even do it.
Oh, let me see.
Put your orders window up. So this is right now, Serge. Before you click on any accounts, put those windows up. Those other windows.
I'm staying out.
Just to make sure you're good.
Yeah, let me. I think this is a good opportunity right now.
Yeah, put Serge. Put the other windows up. I got you, bro. Nope, not that one. There you go. Now go. Minimize your control center. Minimize market analyzer. Now go to orders. Nope, I'm not sure what you're doing, but.
We're looking for the sim, right? The one I try to.
Yeah, it's gonna be on the top. There you go. So now that's fine. Right click on the positions tab. Right click on the positions tab. No, right click on the positions tab.
Oh shit. Right click, I did. Oh, on the position.
No. There you go. Duplicate in new window. Move that below it. Now go to the orders tab on the top left. All right, now you got both of those. So now it looks like you can't do it in sim, but you probably can do it in an eval. So what I would say is, I mean, you probably missed the move already.
Yeah.
But 10 ticks happens really fast if you can catch it on momentum. 10 ticks is only like 2.5 points. So if you haven't, do you have any evals that are close to blown that you would have to blow anyway?
I wouldn't care if I put some on this 28. So we can do it on the 28.
Okay. So now go ahead. So yeah, go ahead and bring up, minimize this. And then bring up those other two windows. Account data, both of those. Right click on both, right click in the middle of the space in account data, always on top.
Right here?
Click always on top.
Always on top. Where?
This is always on top. There's a.
Oh.
Yep, and then do the same thing to the one above. Always on top.
Positions.
Nope. Go back to orders. Right click, always on top. There you go. All right, now do what you needed to do with the market. Just to try it, just so you can see.
Order filled. Target filled.
You don't got to go to Control Center. That's why you have those windows up. You can click on Accounts tab. I'm trying to help you be more efficient.
Yeah. Okay, so what happened? Shit.
Which account did you trade?
The 28. Account
Okay.
28.
Yep, there you go. 28. Looks like you need. Okay, go edit this ATM strategy. I need you to move with me fast. Click on the click on this more. Right here.
More.
Okay, it's not okay. Click cancel. Entry
Right.
44, target 47. Okay, yeah, because since it's minis, let me see. Right click on that account up here. Right click on that account. Go to edit account and add commissions just to see. You need to have commissions on. Oh, all right, never mind. I thought we did that already. Okay, click cancel. Yeah, now go ahead and short. Wait,
Target
there you
filled.
go. It's going fast. Yeah, you see that? $75 mad quick. So I'm just showing you now. I'm not gonna tell you when to do it on that other account.
Yeah.
I'm not even telling you to do it on that other account. I'm just telling you that this is an option. If you have $50 left, you can just bang. You can do your normal strategy, or you can do this and get a quick little, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But you gotta catch the momentum correctly.
Yeah. When it's one of those where you know it.
Exactly. You gotta do it the right way.
Yep. Hey, good shit, yo. Damn.
Yep. Yes, sir.
That's
Yeah,
right.
man. What? We're not that familiar with Ninja, you know.
No,
Like,
I know. That's why I'm trying to help you navigate.
Mhm.
That's why
Hey,
that's
appreciate
why
it,
I'm
yo.
helping you. Yeah, for sure.
Man, let's see what they talking about.
Order filled. Target filled.
Let's go.
Would you just do that with that? Is it passed?
Oh,
Wait,
no,
Wait, which one you doing it on?
I thought I did it.
Oh yeah, you did. You just got a couple dollars.
Yeah.
So now you're only $13 away. No, you're $23 away.
Yeah. That's not bad.
Yep. So now with the momentum at where it is now you know what you can do.
Mm-hmm.
That's fire, bro.
So
I'm gonna need some of that later.
So now, like, if you was to short now, I don't know. You're coming down to the 50s. But,
Yeah.
But yeah, that's you just did that. Easy pickings.
Yeah. Blink of an eye. Blink.
Yep. Look at that. Boom. That's a past eval. Bang.
Yeah.
But yeah, let me not induce you into getting anything. So that's just see that.
Hey, good looking out, bro. I appreciate it.
Hell yeah. You just gotta catch the momentum on the right. Gotta be right there with the momentum.
Yeah, and often even whether it's a fake out, like even those couple ticks, we'll put you on target.
Hell yeah.
Damn, that's cold.
Yep.
Bro, hold on, let me I'm gonna change the name too.
Wait, click cancel. Click cancel. Go back to save as ATM.
Right here, not template.
Yep. Go to save as save as template. Right click on the 10 ticks up top. Rename.
Oh, bad.
Now, wait. Don't click enter yet. Oh, actually, click tab. Tab on your keyboard. Now click cancel. Click cancel. Now go down and see if it's there. There you go.
Oh, bad.
Yep.
Hey, bro, that shit's so fucking cold.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Damn,
Hey, also, you know what you need to do? You always need to have rhythmic open. You don't have rhythmic open. Gotta keep rhythmic. Every time you start trading, bro, rhythmic needs to be open. You too, Martin.
Can you have it on a different computer?
Yeah.
Okay, bet. I think I'm gonna get rhythmic on the other computer too.
Perfect. Yep. Oh, so yeah. If it's too much to be on this computer, definitely don't have it on this computer.
Yeah.
All right. Word.
Damn, that's cold. That is cold, yo.
Just a little, just a little something. Just boom, give me that.
Yeah, shit. That's insane.
Yep. Okay. Yep.
What wellness check?
Mm-hmm. We here.
Mark,
You
you
here?
there?
Yeah, I'm here.
You scared me, fam. I thought I heard a little snore. I'm like, oh shit, fam out.
Now I remember my wife is sleeping too. She's knocked out.
Mm-hmm.
That's funny.
Yeah. Markets are going kind of crazy.
Yeah.
That's fire. So you pass it or not?
I'm $20 away.
Bet that.
Yep.
That's beautiful, man. Yes, sir.
Order filled. Target filled.
Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
You don't have your ATM on, bro.
Order filled.
There you
There
go.
you go.
Pass. Bro, bro, you can't be making the mistakes, bro.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Got ATMs.
Yeah.
Can't
Let's
be doing
go.
that. I gotta be on you about that.
So
Yeah,
wait,
bro.
how much you had to make on the to pass? How much you had to make?
Oh,
He just needed $20 and he went and got another 200.
You needed to
yeah.
make two 2,500.
He needed to make his account balance. He needed to have 3,000 in profit on that account. Now he gets another PA. It's done. Yeah. Also, too, you got to do this because right now.
yeah, Lou. I need to crank up that muscle memory. I do.
Even right now, put the ATM on whatever your normal ATM is.
This is the one for the PAs.
But look, you see how it was so clutch to have these two windows open on the left?
Yeah.
This is why, like, even while you're trading, you literally can see everything.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Like, it's good to have these windows. Like, you need those, especially when you're dealing with rhythmic and all this stuff. All right, go into rhythmic because you have those things pop up. Unless you see those windows that popped up on the right.
No.
Like when you were in a trade, two windows came up right here.
Oh no, I wasn't even aware of it.
All right, so that's gonna take away RAM from you. So go ahead, Hover over, yeah. Click X this out. X. Nope. Go. See where I am?
Okay.
Hover on this. Now hover on this window. Exit out. X out that. Open up Rhythmic. Now make the window fit just here. Nope. Put it back. Put those back. I got you, bro. I'll navigate with me. Make the Rhythmic window fit in this box that I just drew on your chart. Perfect. Click Trader Dashboard. Now, bring this window over to the right. Don't resize it. Just bring it to the right. Now, wait. Perfect. Click this. Now, full screen Rhythmic. Drag this window to the left. So you see the full screen box. Full screen it? There you go.
Full screen it?
Yep. Boom. There you go. Now, now I need you to let me see. Again, make Rhythmic fit here. Nope, you got it right. Go back up top. Yep. Now, perfect. Boom. All right. Now, go to Windows. Click on Windows tab up top. There's File, Trade. Click Windows. Go to Preferences.
Right.
Above Launch. Yep. Preferences.
Click it.
Yep. Click Preferences. Yep. Now go to Alerts. The top tab. Alerts. Right there. Now check all those. Check all of them. Yep. Click Apply. Click OK. Now go to File. Go to Save Settings. Go to To Network.
Click it.
Yep. Click on To Network. All right, boom. Now you're good. Every time you open up Rhythmic, it's gonna have these same settings. Now you can minimize Rhythmic now. All right, now you're good. Now you're chilling.
Let's go.
Sir. Make sure you always got Rhythmic open. Rhythmic needs to always be open when you're in trades. Always. Always. That's one thing that people don't realize. You need Rhythmic open. You need it open. Need it.
I was thinking of sending me a hotkey for flatten everything.
Yeah. That's a smart idea. You know how to do it?
Can you help me real quick?
Control Center. Bring that up. Nope. There you go. And then go to the left. The Control Center is on the left. The Control Center is on the left. Nope. Go back. Hover over Ninja again on the bottom. You keep clicking Account Data. You need to click on Control Center, which is on the left.
Oh, shoot.
There you go.
Since they look alike now, they'll be tripping me out. Damn.
No, I got you. I saw that. So go to Tools. Go to Hotkeys. And let me see if bring this window to the right.
Which one?
This hotkeys window, bring it to the right. Bring it all the way to the top, bring it to the top. And then expand it so it's longer.
Oh, guys.
Perfect. Now, let me see, scroll down. Let me see if there's an option to flatten everything. Scroll down. Keep scrolling, all the way. Oh, you're already down. Okay, click on the order entry on the left and categories. Let me see. Close ATM. Let me see. There was close ATM. Okay, custom order on the bottom. Click add, and then action. Click on the drop down for buy. Up top, action. Click that drop down. Oh, I don't think there's a close hotkey. I don't think there's a hotkey. You would just have to right click on the chart trader and flatten everything.
Yeah. That'd be nice if you can do that. That'd be tight.
Yeah. I don't think you can. Yeah. I don't think you can do that. Damn. Yeah. Unfortunately.
That's cool though. You use your hotkeys, right?
Yeah, I got a hotkey for drawing my risk to reward. That's the only one I have. But other than that, chilling. Sir.
Hey, good shit.
Yeah, bro. Yep. So now go ahead and now watch this. Minimize your control center. So for me, every time now that I never even look at my control center when I log on, because I have all my connections that they automatically connect once I come on. I don't even look at my control center. So all I do whenever I'm ready to close my platform, I hover over the Ninja logo. Hover over it right now. I'm gonna show you what I do. Don't do this though, but I just click the X on the control center. So hover over control center.
Control center.
Left. Yeah, that left. I don't click it though, but that's what I do. I just click X from there.
Oh.
So now actually go ahead and click X. Click that X. See, it says you want to click workspace. Hold on, what'd you do? Okay. Click that X. Now wait. From here, I just click don't do this. But I'm telling you, what I do is I just click yes, and then it just saves everything and asks me if I want to back up. For you right now, click cancel. Because we're not closing anything. Hold on, what you doing?
Let me double check that I have everything. I'm gonna save it.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. Yep. There you go. Perfect. And then boom. Go to backup. Yep. Looks like you got the hang of it. Yep. There you go. Now, perfect. Now you got everything. You're chilling now.
Let's go.
Easy. So now you like, as you start to navigate Ninja, all this shit's gonna be like the back of your hand. Like, you see how I can just navigate it easy?
Yeah.
Like, that's why people were like, "Oh, I don't really like Ninja," but to me, it's like, I don't.
And even me not like knowing some of these things, bro, I feel like when it's time to take action, when I'm getting accounts confused,
yeah,
I'll be playing myself. There's times where I could have this should have been a green day and I did something else, but I will train my muscle memory. That way I'm just click and be on it.
Right. Also, too, go ahead and right click on your chart. I don't know why it keeps doing this. Right click, go to properties. Go to 150 and then go to preset. Yep, you got it. Preset on the bottom. Go to save. Yep, now click apply and OK. Now go ahead and do that on the weekly chart. Go to the weekly tab on the bottom. Same thing. 150. Preset, save. Boom. There you go. Now workspace and save too.
Let's go.
Don't minimize that. Don't. Nope.
Yeah, man, I'm tripping. I keep getting confused. I just need to read the thingy.
Yeah, which you need another screen.
I do.
Yeah. You need another screen for sure.
You know what's? I've been brainstorming if I should use this other computer because it blue screens every once in a while. And
yeah, you don't want to use that. Nah, that's out of the question.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna save up a little bit and and buy me a better computer, because if I have another, I just know that if I have another screen right now, it won't handle it. It won't handle another screen.
Yeah. Yeah, you definitely don't want to. No, you don't want to do anything crazy.
Because remember a year ago, I think it was a year ago, when we go on the lives, and there's times when my computer just blink and it will go completely off.
Yeah.
It couldn't handle it.
Yep, I feel you on that. Also, too, right now you have your Google Chrome open. If you don't need it open, close it. Just because, for me, yeah, you don't want to. If you don't need it, don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like it's the worst if that stuff crashes on you. So, yeah, that shit would not be cool. Market's doing its thing right now. I don't know. Not sure what's going on. But... Oh, what's the name about to start talking?
Oh, pound. Shit.
Yep.
Here we go. Another 1,000
Order
points down.
filled.
Halt the market.
Target filled.
Yep. Yes, sir. Yeah, this is crazy shit. Yeah. Yeah, this was fire.
It's a crazy ass day.
Yeah. Yeah. Spreads are nuts right now.
It's crazy, bro. I thought this account was blown. That the one I passed today, and it was the daily limit that got hit. It wasn't actually blown.
Mm-hmm.
And then even at that, I still had the daily limit, and we managed to pass it today. Let's go.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Insane.
These PAs, I'm like grind them slowly. I'll be aggressive on evals.
Mm-hmm. Hell yeah. Y'all boys done for today?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, this is fire. Ooh.
Yeah,
Bro,
I'm not taking no trades today.
Yeah, I didn't take any of my PAs. Nope.
I hit daily loss on one of them, on the PAs. I'm down on that count, like 900. And then
Hey.
on the other PA, I'm up almost 700, 600, and I'm up 159 for the day.
Let's go. Let's go. Boom. Yeah, this is a crazy market, man. This is insane stuff.
It's about to drop.
Drop.
See a beautiful setup right here.
Yep. Yeah, I wonder what's about to. Yeah. Insane stuff.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Market is insanity.
Yeah.
Insanity.
Bro, these past couple of days, a lot of people got wrecked. Big time.
Correct. Yeah. This is. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. But Powell says inflation from Trump's larger than expected tariffs could be more persistent. That's what Powell just said.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
He's giving a speech right now?
I think it might have ended.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah. You knew he was speaking today though, right?
Yeah. I just forgot the time, to be honest. I'll be real.
Yeah, since Powell is due to speak at 11:25. Yeah. I'm pretty sure yeah.
I checked the news when the market was dumping like big time.
Mm-hmm. I think we're gonna go ahead and see new lows.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Oh, you watching Nutty?
Me? Yeah, I got Nutty up and I got Alpine. Yeah, I think Alpine got clapped, and I think Nutty blew a bunch of PAs.
Oh shit.
No, he blew a bunch of evals. He's just bullshitting now.
Yeah. For my roadmap, bro, I'm gonna max these 10 accounts, and I'm gonna try to have me some on the burner. I'll be doing some on the burner as I go along.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna decide whether I go with Apex or the take profit trader. But by then, I figure I'll have a few.
I'm gonna answer your question already. I'm gonna answer that question for you right now. Take profit. I'm gonna go ahead and answer that question for you right now. Take profit.
And
there's no question.
I think I've been doing good, bro, with the exception of that one day. And even at that one day, my paid accounts, they stay solid.
Yep. Take profit is the way to go.
Bro, it sounds like it. Anything that is getting his first payout.
Yep.
Order filled.
Take profit is the way to go.
Yeah.
No question in my eyes.
I think once I get some of these payouts, it's gonna be a snowball effect. I don't even plan on I'm gonna give me some new shoes or anything like that. I'm just gonna toss it back, and make it bigger.
Yep. It don't make sense. It don't make any sense to do anything extra.
Yeah. Till I can make consistent withdrawals where I'm like, oh shit, I had like 4 or 5, in a row back to back, and I start getting an average of how long I can expect them. To then, I'm not gonna touch that at all.
Yep. No point. No point.
Target filled.
Yeah. Damn. Oof. Ugh. So I got y'all can hear me?
Yeah, we can hear
Oh, what's going on with my headphones? Hold on 1 second. Yeah, I'm changing my headphones out.
you.
My AirPods died. Hold on.
Oh, gotcha.
Hold on, y'all should be able to hear me now. Y'all can hear me, right?
Yeah. You hear us?
Okay, word. Yep, I hear y'all. Yep. Yep. Yeah, so I've been I added a couple Apex evals to add to my reserves.
Yeah.
I blew one, but I am halfway past on 4.
Hey, let's go.
And
Let's go.
I've been scalping heavy. Like, so I'm up. Yeah, I'm up like a bunch. I'm probably gonna just scalp and pass them.
Yeah.
Bro, I've been taking 5 minis and going for 20 ticks.
Let's go.
So 20 ticks is 500. So boom 500, boom 500, boom 500, boom 500.
Almost past the count in 1 hour candle close.
Yeah. So I'm doing it on Renkos.
Let's go.
So, and there was one trade. In one trade, I was literally down. I was down 4,000 per.
Yeah.
And then it went and hit target. I was like, oh well, I might gotta get a new set, and then boom, target filled.
Nice. Yeah,
And
bro.
now,
I woke up and I see, oh shit, we're about to drop. Because I just,
yeah.
I'm like, there's no way we have. And so I went ahead, fuck it, let's go. Skirt. And
Mm-hmm.
then, oh shit.
Bro, the market is falling. You said it was 6 micros?
Yup.
Let's go. 6 micros. But yeah, them 10 ticks. Them 10 ticks ATM, this market is giving that out. They just passing that out by accident.
Yeah.
They're accidentally passing that out.
Hey.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I was gonna say it wouldn't hurt to just have some evals and just scalp it. Go because we got the eye for it. You feel me? We got the eye for it.
Yep. That's exactly what I'm doing. So, hell yeah, just like that. I'm
gonna try to get more accounts, more PAs.
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna CPA with that, man. I've been running those accounts up like nothing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing laundry too on the side.
Yep. I'm also doing laundry.
I'm putting all
No laundry here, y'all.
You said what?
No laundry here, y'all.
You got no laundry?
Not to the weekend. Yeah, to the weekend. We got the rules set here because we get free light on the weekends. So
you get free what?
Free light.
Oh, you talking about the sun?
The electricity is free.
What?
Yeah, on the weekends or with our light provider.
What?
Wait, say that again. What?
With our electricity provider, we get free light on the weekends.
Like free electric?
Yeah, free electric. Yes.
Oh, so you wait to do it to the weekend?
Yeah, because that's what wastes the most light. Yeah.
Oh, you gonna get you a miner and mine you some crypto?
Mine me some crypto on the weekend. Huh?
It's in a bad way. My mind was shot.
Oh, y'all hear that in the background?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my girls watching TV. Hold on.
Oh,
Let me.
shit.
Nah, you good? Let me just.
About to turn on the show too right now. I was
Hmm.
watching that one called Lucifer.
Oh, we watched that. We already watched. We finished that.
I'm barely starting that motherfucker.
Mm-hmm. That's hilarious, bro.
Yeah, it's a little weird. That's in the first. I think I'm on the second episode now.
Yeah.
It's a little
Definitely a
crazy.
weird show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was watching Dexter and I'm like, man, before I get any funny ideas, I need to stop this shit. So I stopped watching.
Oh shit. Oh, that's funny as hell, bro. That's mad funny.
I really liked it, but I'm like, man, I'm liking this so much. This ain't right. So I stopped watching it because of that.
Yeah.
That
I
boy
feel you.
Nathan, he changed his strategy.
I don't know what he did, but he's back.
He's back. He's back. That's
He-
good, man.
But I don't know. I don't know what his strategy is. But it sounds like he's doing what he needs to do. I can't exactly say if he's doing what he needs to do, but it sounds like he is. It appears that way. So big congrats to him.
For sure.
Yeah, and to all of us doing it. That boy Serge got him 3 PAs.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
that's wild, bro.
Let's go.
Man. Straight motivation, boy.
Let's go. That boy
Yeah.
Martin just started with Bill Knox, so he's gonna be on the way too. Let's go.
Hopefully, man.
When they have
Nah,
that St. 90,
it's
bro,
for real.
when they have that St. 90, bro, go ahead and secure you a good amount, bro.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah.
And let's say they got running for a month or however much it is, bro. Get aggressive with them. If you blow some, fuck it. Get you a few
Yep.
more, and just and stack you some PAs.
Mm-hmm. What's the name of the game?
That's the name of the game.
Yep. Sir. Yeah, I was very today I was very conservative when it came to PAs and because right now it don't really make sense to try to trade like my accounts that I need.
Yeah.
Like, not today. They're not gonna get me.
Yeah.
They're not gonna get me.
Our normal range that we play with is just not there.
Nah.
Our leg movement is just not there.
Like, bro, the market is literally falling 5% to 7% on a daily now, bro. This expansion is kind of crazy.
I'm surprised they haven't halted it yet. They did one day, but just a little bit.
They'll start halting at 7%. That's when the halts come in.
Yeah.
7%. So, yeah, this is crazy, insane. Yep. Yo, actually, you know what, Serge?
Yeah.
Minimize your control center, and then go ahead and hover over the ninja and X on the control center.
Control center on this right here.
Hover when I say nope, that's not your control center.
Oh shit, I'm tripping.
And then X on the control center. On the left, you got X on that. Click yes.
I don't know why I did that.
That's all good.
Control center.
Click yes.
Let me stop the stream.
All right, let me do that too.
Oh, actually, that's what it is.